Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, I want to ask you guys a serious question. We're going to get into that later. And also, I want you guys to tune in. If you're watching that replay, make sure you speed up the uh, the stream by actually hitting 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the video. You can turn a 30-minute video into a 15-minute video. But thanks a lot for tuning in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. I only focus on the charts because the charts is actually, it gives you the facts and it gives you the hardcore data, right? So let's get the party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. For you guys that's watching that replay, you can actually go to the first link below to get the new course, Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0. That course will help you become a professional and help you understand how to make money now in the markets, whether it's going up or down. All right, so let's get the party started. Let me see if I see anybody in the building here. Let me pop out the chat. Good to see you guys here. Hope you guys had a good weekend. What's today? Wednesday or Tuesday? I don't know. But let's basically go to CoinMarketCap and then we go to the charts and then we go to you guys' questions. So right now the dominance is at 62.4. I do expect it to go a little higher. Market cap is at 325. And then we have a little up move on Bitcoin today, but the rest is not really doing nothing that much. All right. So overall, let's go back to the chart and let's look at Bitcoin. So last time I went live, I told you guys that I was expecting another down movement, and that's what we had. We had another down move. We broke that 10K level. We found some temporary support at that 10K level, and now we are going up. Now the next question is, can it hold this level? All right. I'm still thinking that they want to probably bring it down another time. They probably want to bring it down one more time. That's if they want to bring it back up, right? So I believe that they want to probably bring it down a little lower, maybe in the 8,000s. And then we have to see if they want to hold support around that level. Okay. I think they're probably going to trap a lot of traders around here. That's just my, I'm just giving you my opinion. All right. It doesn't have to happen like that. I'm just giving you my opinion. But that's what I'm looking at when it comes to Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Same thing. I think we're gonna probably roll over once again, one more time, and we'll see. XRP. I don't know what's going on with XRP. Does look weak. Maybe if it goes below here, which is around 35 cents, you got to be careful, because if it goes below there, then it can definitely go around that 30 cents, 30 something level. What else? Bitcoin Cash. And I hope my mic is set up. I didn't even check it. Let me check my mic. Last time I had a situation where my mic wasn't working. So okay, I think my mic is working. Guys, let me know if my mic is working. I'm quite sure you guys can hear me, but I remember last time I went live a couple of days ago, my mic wasn't working. So Bitcoin Cash is same situation. I think we're probably gonna have another low. Let me see here. What else? Litecoin. I didn't check out Litecoin. Litecoin, yeah, it looks. I think we're probably have another low. Maybe Litecoins want to test the 100s, so it probably dip below that 100 mark. It might find support around there. We will see. All right, so yes, you guys said we can hear. Okay, cool. And let me see what else. That's about it. Really don't want to go too crazy right now, but shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, type it in. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are a person that wants to take your trading or investing to the next level, hit that subscribe button, because I'm the guy that will help you with your journey, because I've been doing this going on 12 years, and this is what I do full time, and I love it, and I love teaching others to do the same thing. And I specialize in actually making money now in the markets. That's what I do. I don't care about 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road. I like to manage what's going on right now. I think you can actually predict that. I think you could be more accurate when it comes to that, the short term movement. So hit that subscribe button. Let's see if I see any questions here, and we go from there. We definitely go from there. All right. But thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Altcoin Al, what's going on? Super Ray, V, G Baker, Bobby, MK Velli. All right. Let me see. Barbara, what's going on? Okay. Butch, Bobby, Peck, what's going on, guys? All right. So let's get to these guys' questions. Let me see if I see any here. Altcoins, the Bears is back. Well, it's not official right now. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with the market. Hope you guys took some profit last week. Yeah, I hope so too. Ben, do you think BTC will go lower? Probably again. Right now, I believe we want to probably pull back once again. Okay. And we just have to wait. But it's a possibility they want to try to bring it up one more time. But I think we're gonna probably maybe take a dive before we do. Okay. What about alt season? I don't know. It's kind of iffy. It's kind of iffy right now. I'm just trying to figure out what Bitcoiners really want to do. How do I get a Fibonacci graph on the trading view? Fibonacci, you would get it from here. You go to this thing that looks like a pitchfork right here. You click on that, and you go to Fibonacci fib retracement, and that's how you get the fibs. All right. So guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Appreciate all you guys for tuning in. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. I forgot to do that. Let me see here. Let me turn down the volume a little bit. Round of applause. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And for all you guys that are tuning in, I appreciate it. Okay, I was trading. Okay, I finished. I usually finish early anyway, and I was bored. Okay, if you trade full time, you know that is you have a lot of time on your hands. So sometimes I get bored. So I decided to, hey man, let me go live. All right. So if you guys have questions, type it in. But that's the beauty of living that laptop life. Okay, laptop life. Actually, speaking of laptop life, I actually made a couple of T-shirts for you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, the link will be below. But the laptop lifestyle. Okay, the laptop lifestyle will give you that freedom that you're looking for. All right, and that's part of what I want to talk about today. Part of what I wanted to really talk about today. For you guys, I want to ask you guys, all right. This guy is saying that Bitcoin has every reason to moonshot above 40K. All right. Anybody in this chat room, you think Bitcoin will go over 40K? Anybody in this chat room, do you guys think that Bitcoin will go over 40K? Let me know. In the meantime, let me see if I see anything here. All right. Bobby said I'm grabbing both of the t-shirts. Yeah, man, shout out to you, bro. And while I'm waiting for you guys questions, some of you guys said that type in your questions. Do you think Bitcoin will go above 40K? While I'm waiting for those questions, check out this course if you didn't. You will get the live stream discount all the way until July 4th. So if you didn't make the live stream, don't worry, the live stream discount will be available all day until tomorrow. So check out that link right here. All right, I don't have any sponsors, so that's helping out the channel. Okay, and at the same time, it will help you understand how to make money now from the markets, how to take advantage of the bull market and the bear market, and that one actually comes with an indicator. All right, and the indicator will help you understand, or help just help you, not force trades. That's the main reason why I actually present that indicator. But that course alone will show you how to make money without the indicator too. All right, I just present that indicator to you guys so you won't have to force trades. So last Sunday, actually the Sunday that just went, we had a private live stream, and I was explaining to my private members why this was a good short right here. Okay, a good short and opportunity. And if you look at the indicator, gave you a nice little short opportunity. I don't take every signal because I combine price action with the indicator. Okay, so this was a great short right here. And also, when we found support at that 10,000 mark, it gave you a nice little green bar right here. Okay, nice little green signal right here. Could have made money off that. But what I'm trying to explain to you guys is once you understand price and combine it with the indicator, it will help you not force trades. Because a lot of my students, they force trades for no reason. And this is why I have that indicator for you guys. Now, the course comes with me being your mentor. This is the last week, guys. This is the last week where I look at the live markets with you guys. So if you're definitely interested in that, when you get the course, you will have access to me this Sunday. Even if you can't make it, you will get all the recordings. We will go live. We will look at the live markets, give you guys some potential trade setups and much more. So I will show you how I'm able to do this full time, right? So go pick up that course right now. Now let's go back to the question. The question was, do you think Bitcoin will go over 40K? Let me see if I see anything in the chat room. Peck said no. Explain your reason, Peck. Well, why you don't think Bitcoin will go above 40K? G Bigger said not this year. Alcamaster said it will go over 40K, but I think it will take a year or two. 40K depends on the wells. I don't care. I want to trade. Yo, Chris, bro. Yo, chill, man. Chris is basically telling these guys what I wanted to tell them, right? Let me see here. But shout out to you, Chris. That's definitely a good answer. Let me see. It can't even reach 20K. Don Dada, what's going on? Ben, thanks. Because of you, I am making consistent $20 to $40 a day day trading at work every day. Still have work on cutting losses. Thanks to you. Okay, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to Don Dada. He said he's making money. He's one of my students, so let me give him a round of applause. I love that, bro. If it went to 20K, sure, man, very possible. Doesn't matter, Ben. What are your 4th of July plans? My 4th of July plans, I'm chilling with family. Not enough to use this year, 2020. VR games hit library. Okay, I hear you. You said not enough use this year. Okay, that's a good answer. All right, so basically, the title of the video is Bitcoin Investors What If? All right. So my question to you, Bitcoin investors, and for you guys that's watching that replay, what if Bitcoin decides to not go to 20K and it decides to drop right back down and go much lower? All right. What if Bitcoin decides to not go to 20K, drop and go much lower? Are you prepared for that? Do you have a plan for that? Most of you guys always want to think one way, always want to think positive thoughts. And there's nothing wrong with having positive thoughts, but you also have to understand reality. All right? Just because I have positive thoughts doesn't mean that it's not going to rain. Okay? Just because I don't want it to rain, okay? You have to understand the things that you don't control, like the market. You don't control it at all right? You don't have no control over the market. So the market can do whatever it wants to do, right? So my question to you is, what if? Now, I'm not saying that it will, okay? But I'm the guy that will always challenge you because I do this full time, and trust me, I know the possibilities of different scenarios. Most of you guys treat this like it's impossible for Bitcoin to do this, and it's impossible for XRP to do this, and it's impossible for TRX to do this. Okay? I know that you guys want to make money, but my question to you is, what if? Do you have a plan? Okay? Now, on my channel, I teach you guys something a little different than just HODL and talking about HODL to zero. Like that is absolutely disgusting behavior, especially if you want to become a professional. Okay, you don't want to HODL to zero. I mean, you basically worked hard for that money. Why would you want to HODL to zero? So my question to you, or just put like this, what if, right? Do you have a plan? Because there's no guarantees that Bitcoin has to go up to 20K or go up to 40K. It's no guarantee. So what do you have besides your favorite YouTuber telling you, hey man, don't worry, it's going to be okay, we've been going up for the last 10 years. Besides that, what else do you have? Okay, what other plan do you have in place if it doesn't go up and it just continue to drop? Okay, I want to help you guys understand that you have to be prepared for whatever happens. You shouldn't be that guy that just go all in and say, oh man, please, this will never go down. Right? Now, how do I approach the market? I look at the market the same way the Wells and the rich guys look at the market, right? When I first entered the stock market back in 2008, the market was crashing like crazy. All I was, thinking about is, that same buy and hold mentality. But until I noticed that a lot of guys got rich short in the market. They made a lot of money short in the market. Okay, so I was like, you know what? I need to do what these guys are doing because these guys are making money no matter what, no matter if price is going down or if price is going up. They don't have that attachment, or they don't fall in love with one direction. Now, some of you guys will say, "Well, I'm not one of those guys. I'm a long-term investor." Well, you can give all the excuses that you want, all right? Because that's, at the end of the day, that's all it is an excuse. If you have a business and you're running a business and your business is about to either decline or maybe go out of business, You have to be prepared for that. All right. So you don't tell me, oh, well, I'm a long-term investor, so I don't think about that stuff. Well, that means that you are not a guy, all right, that I want to be around. Because do you think billionaires will just let their business go out of business and they don't know ahead of time? These guys know ahead of time. Okay. Now, if you see a lot of businesses fold, right, and they, file for bankruptcy, trust me, they knew ahead of time that they was actually going to, close shop. So I'm quite sure they had money, and and they know how to take profits and stash the money, okay, that they made. Most of you guys don't even know how to take profits. You don't have a plan. Most of you guys brag about, hey man, I'm up 14K. I'm up this whatever, bro. You're not up. You're not up until you take profits. You know? Like, I don't care how much you're up right now. You're not up until you take profits. Most of you guys are not taking profits because you think Bitcoin is going to hit 100K. Right? Now, I'm not saying that it can't. I'm not saying that it won't. I'm saying, what if? Are you prepared? Most of you guys are not. So, let's go to the chat room and let's see what's going on here. Let me see here. Good to see you guys here. Let me look at these questions here. And Peck says something that was, very good in my opinion. He said that, what he said, let me see what he said. He said nobody's using, if I'm not mistaken, Bitcoin like that. I can't remember the comment. I gotta look for it. But we do need more users, guys. All right, that I agree with. We do need more users. In order for this to grow like we want it to grow, we need more users, guys. The reason why Facebook, Amazon, and all these big tech companies are worth that much is because they have a lot of users. Right? We need more users for in order to grow. Let me see here. What happened if it goes lower is that I would make a lot of money. Yeah, because you know how to short altcoin now. You know how to go short. That's why. My plan is to continue to learn and trade the futures market. Shout out to you, Bobby. Uncle Al said I don't make predictions on price. That's the best thing to do. Let the market tell you what it's trying to do. BTC Jason said, "Hey Ben, is it good time to buy more Bitcoin at these levels?" Bitcoin Jason, I believe that Bitcoin right now, okay, is probably going to pull back maybe one more time, okay, and then we have to see if it's want to hold support around these areas. But also you have to learn how to read the chart, bro. Okay, if you don't have my course by now, check it out. Okay, you have that live stream discount. All right, I don't want you to be one of those guys that wake up and Everything is down and you can't figure out why. Here's that link. Check it out. I'm going to have a private meeting this Sunday with you guys, talk about more, crypto. And in those private meetings, I actually talk about more and how I really feel what's going to happen. So go check that out, and you will get all the recordings if you can't make it. And it will show you how to make money in between too. Let me see here. Brandon, hey Ben, is there a link for the Forex course? I want to get it today. The Forex, you talking about the futures course? Brandon, are you talking about the futures course? I'm short on BTC, crash and burn calls. 80% in stock market, 20% in crypto account. So Brandon, you're talking about hold on. Yeah, let me give you that link. Hold on, Brandon. I'll give you a link right now. Just give me a second. So, if you guys have questions, type it in, guys. All right. So the next question, guys, I want to have a real conversation with you guys. All right. Today, right now, before I get off, guys. Okay, let's have a real conversation, not an emotional conversation. I want you guys to answer this question real quick. All right. What is so special about Bitcoin and the other cryptos? Okay, can someone explain to me, all right, without being emotional, what is so special about Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies right now, as we speak? And while you guys are typing your questions, I'm going to try to look for that link for Brandon. All right. I hope you guys are going to have a great July 4th. I'm going to actually have a barbecue with family. My sister-in-law, she's going to bring her kids over. So we are going to basically have a barbecue and I can't wait to have something on the grill. Jesus says stay away from pork, man. Jesus, bro. Anyway, Brandon, here's the links, guys. Here's the link, Brandon. I gave you 2 links. All right. One of them is full price and one of them is payment plan. So that's the link right there, Brandon. So let me see. I just asked you guys a question, guys. All right. I want to have a real conversation with you guys, and I don't want you guys to get all emotional because a lot of sensitive people. There are a lot of sensitive people when it comes to crypto. So what is so special about Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies right now as we speak? Okay. Let me see if I see anything right now. BTC Jason said nothing. It's just a gamble. Okay. Yeah, hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes too. Hit those likes right now. Your finger is not going to fall off. Hit those likes right now. And after you hit those likes, type in what is so special about crypto market, all right? Bitcoin and crypto market right now. All right. All right, here. So Chris said limited supply of Bitcoin is really only viable source value. Crypto adoption will take years. Most adoption, okay, right? Your question has no response. It's poorly rephrased, in my opinion. Kindle said, your question has no logical response. It's poorly phrased question, in my opinion. So, if you think it's a poor question, okay, or poorly phrased, okay, then you are definitely in the wrong live stream, okay? It's a simple question. This is why I specifically told you guys, let's have a real conversation. Put your emotions to the side. And it sounds like you are one of those crypto investors that for some reason you can't put your emotions to the side. It's a very simple question, okay? What makes Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies so special right now as we speak? If you can't understand that question, I don't understand why you're in this chat room, okay? All right? Let's have a real conversation without any type of emotions flying around. This is why I hate sometimes dealing with the crypto market, because these guys are so emotional and they so sensitive, right? You can't even talk about nothing until, these guys are just getting crazy. Kendall, you're still not answering the question, so I'm gonna skip over you. I'm not gonna go back and forth with you. All right. So, Chris says something. All right. He said limited supply. Bitcoin is really value. Okay. So limited supply. All right. Now, is it really limited? Let's think about that for a second. Is it really limited? Is it? They can probably change the supply if they want to. Okay? Just think about that for a second. Is it really limited? These guys can change the supply if they really wanted to change it. Remember, at the end of the day, it's digital, so it could be changed. Let me read some more questions, answers. Bobby said, nothing special. BTC is controlled as now. Okay, cool. Jesus said, real store of value. How is this store of value? And then Bitcoin is actually, last week was at 13. Now is at 12 right now. Actually 11. Okay, but a couple of months ago was at 4,000. It goes up so crazy. Okay, so how can you really say this is a store of value and one day is down 50%, next day is up 50%? It's crazy. Barbara said, we just want to make money. That's what's up. I love that answer. Let me give you that flex bomb, Barbara. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. See, Barbara's not emotional like Kendall. Kendall's emotional. Oh my gosh. He said, what is so special? Oh my gosh. I can't believe he said that. Shout out to you, Barbara. We just want to make this bread. Oh man, that's the realest answer I heard in a minute. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause for that too. That is beautiful. Because I hate when these crypto investors, oh, I'm just in it for the tech. Yeah, okay. You scream every time Bitcoin goes down. Okay, so let's go to let me see here. Let me see if I see any more answers, guys. The question was very simple. What makes Bitcoin and these other cryptocurrencies so special right now as we speak? So let's continue. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to help you guys not think one way and just shift your thinking. Like most of you guys just only think one way. Don't try to challenge yourself, And that's about it. So I'm trying to challenge most of you guys right now. All right. Alcon says not unlimited because they could just fork it. There we go. Ding, ding, ding. Shout out to you. People buy BitTC because more dollars. If they really believe BTC, they will never sell it at any price. Exactly. Jesus said, "What is so special about fiat?" Okay, we're not talking about fiat right now, right? We're talking about BTC in these cryptocurrencies right now. What? They can make more? Yes. Shout out to you. Yeah, they can make more Bitcoin, bro. Yes, they can make more Bitcoin. This is digital. All right, come on, guys. This is why I'm trying. This is why I'm actually having this good question or this good, conversation. I'm trying to have a good conversation with you guys. So I want to challenge you and help you just become a critical thinker. Like you have guys like Kendall that always, become emotional about different things. Columbus says is a way out to be your own boss. No, the crypto is not a way out to be your own boss. Okay? Crypto is listen guys. Crypto is not a way for you to be your own boss. You know what's your way out? It's you. It's whatever is inside your brain right now. Okay? It's your skills, guys. That's what helps you make money. If you had enough skills, all right, to read the chart, you would never bought this top right here. Okay, you know how many people went all in right there at the top? That's because they felt cryptocurrency was a way out, but they didn't have enough skills to realize, bro, what are you doing? Why are you buying at those prices? You don't buy right there. You crazy? So it's not cryptocurrencies. It's you. It's your skills. Your skills help you make money. So I'm waiting for more answers, guys. The answer is you said the answers all over. Kendall, I don't care if the answers all over the place. You give your answer or your answer, and that's it. Stop dodging or stop, making this bigger than what it really is. Come on, man. Very simple question for you guys just tuning in. Shout out to you. Hit that subscribe button. The question is very simple, guys. What makes cryptocurrencies, all right, so special right now? What makes your coin so special right now? What makes Bitcoin so special right now? What makes XRP so special right now? What makes Tron and all these other coins right now so special? All right? We had some good answers. I mean, yeah, some good answers so far. What I'm trying to do is help you understand that you can't believe everything you hear. That's number one. Number two, you always have to apply critical thinking and always have to think outside the box, not just be a robot that believes everything, all right, that you hear. Let me see if I see anything here. Don Dada said, what is your take on UK 100 index? It's good. I mean, no, matter of fact, I'm not too sure. I never traded UK. I'm thinking about the NASDAQ 100. Most likely, I mean, a chart is a chart. As long as it has volatility, you can definitely trade it. I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. If you're just tuning in, my question was, what is so special about Bitcoin right now and these other cryptocurrencies? Okay, it is the best store of value today. All right. So that's Kindle's answer. Okay. And I already went over that, Kindle. All right, we already went over that, Kindle. What's going on, AZ? Bobby said because CNBC said. I'm sorry, I'm not crypto. I meant currencies. I like market, for example. Okay, shout out to you, Columbus. I thought you meant crypto. All right, no problem. All right, so Kindle said best store of value. Okay, how can this be the best store of value if one day we up 50%, next day we down 50%? So anyway, so let me get to the real deal. All right, I just wanted to see you guys. I want to hear you guys' answers. And Bobby basically, was it Bobby? Let me see, Bobby. Who was it? Let me make sure. Who was it? Just give me a second, guys. Trying to look for. Let me see. Just give me a second, guys. Sheesh, I know somebody said something. Trust me, I will find it. Just give me a second, guys. Sheesh. I know I ain't bugging. I know I saw it. Just give me a second. I'm here. I believe it was Bobby. All right. I can't find it right now, so I'm basically going to say it. All right. Basically, the reason why I would, the reason why I was attracted to cryptocurrencies is because it was, decentralized. Okay. I went to the market, I made money, okay, and the more I basically did my research, the more research I did, I realized that it wasn't really this decentralized. Okay, that's number one. Okay, it wasn't really decentralized. Number two, all right, when we first started this market back in '09, and we had these bull markets going up like crazy, that was when the market was unregulated and we didn't have all this attention. Okay, and I believe Bobby said I can't for some reason I can't find the comment, but basically Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies right now as we speak is not the same. Okay, it's being controlled. So right now as we speak, there's nothing special about Bitcoin, XRP, or these other cryptocurrencies, okay, as we speak. It was in the past, back in '09, all the way until, I would say, when did that futures hit? Futures hit around, December? Boom. Gone. All right? That's it. So, cryptocurrencies, for anybody that really don't know, was designed to be, they say, decentralized, right? Even though it wasn't decentralized, but it was designed to be decentralized and government free. Now all of a sudden we have Bitcoin futures, we have the government coming in trying to regulate things, we have so much other stuff coming in, and it's not the same no more. All right, so that being said, the value, all right, that Bitcoin once had, it's not there no more. Okay, the value was, guys, decentralized. That was the main thing. It's not store of value. Don't give me that bull crap. All right. The reason why you came in cryptocurrency, the reason why you came into the crypto market is because it was decentralized. Don't give me that store of value that came later. All right. Don't tell me digital gold that came later. That stupid statement came later. That's not because it's not a digital gold at all. Okay. It was because it's decentralized. So how something that was decentralized, how does this have any, or how, this could be special and have value if it's not decentralized anymore? If we have the futures market and Wall Street coming in and the government trying to regulate things, the value is gone now. That doesn't mean that the market can't continue to go up, all right? But do I think we are going to have a crazy, crazy bull run like we had back in the past? No, I don't think so. Because back in the past, we was unregulated. We didn't have all this extra stuff tied to the market, okay? When you have Wall Street messing with anything, guys, it's not a pretty sight. Especially if they feel like this is garbage, right? So that's how I feel, all right? And I wanted to have this conversation, especially all feelings aside. Most of you guys will still have feelings, will still, curse me out, or, some of you guys just can't really have a good conversation, a real adult conversation without having some type of emotions flying around like crazy. Okay, I just want to give you guys my take on the market. All right, but you can still make money regardless of what happens. Right, Bitcoin, even though it's being these guys are taking over, you can still make money. Right, the market does not go up or down in a straight line, guys. The market moves like this, right? This is how the market moves, guys. All right? This is how the market moves. And this is what I take advantage of. I don't care about long-term, this coin's the best coin ever. I'm so in love with this, man. This thing's going to make me a millionaire. It's going to 100K. I don't care about that, guys. Right? I see the bigger picture, so I don't fall in love with that. I fall in love with this. You know why? These swings right here. Every single swing equals money. No matter if the price is going down or up. This is what I had to learn when I first got started. Okay? The big dogs, the whales, the rich guys, they don't care. You think they fall in love with XRP? Just ask yourself and be honest. You think the whales are saying, man, I love XRP. This looks like the best coin ever. No, bro, they don't care. They don't care if this thing goes to zero. They don't care if it goes to 50K. Because they can make money regardless, right? And this is what I want you to start thinking, or start to become a part of that lifestyle. Some of you guys will never get it because some of you guys don't do this full time, and you're brainwashed. It's going to take time for you to get out of that state. So I know some of you guys will never get this. You will always say things like, "Oh, I'm in it for the long run. I don't care if it goes to zero." But for the guys that actually want to learn how to do this full time and make money regardless, even if all this is a scam, learn how to read the charts, guys. Learn how to take advantage of these swings right here. Stop being emotional. This is a game, guys. Right? These guys that's at the top are playing games with you, and you don't even know it. You believe in everything these guys are saying, but you don't believe the people that's making money, that's trying to show you, hey, bro, what are you talking about? So right now, as we speak, we have to see if this move right here can break new highs, continue to go up. All right. Right now, I do expect another pullback. And then when we get that other pullback, if we get it, Okay, we have to see if Bitcoin wants to hold support somewhere, right? If it can't hold support, then most likely we're going to continue to go back down. And are you prepared for that? So let's go to the questions. Let's go to the chat room. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit those likes buttons right now, guys. Right? Let's go. Let me see what's going on in the chat room. I'm reading these questions right now. Energy consumption due to mining will eventually kill Bitcoin. That's a good one. V said this is one of your best live stream, Ben. Real talk. You want to hear something, V? I don't know how long you've been with me, but I've been talking about this long time ago. Last year, okay. And really, it's hard for me to talk like this because most crypto investors are so sensitive, okay, and they don't want to learn. They just think they only want to think one way. All right, I'm just trying to challenge you guys. What if? All right, are you prepared? This is a very simple question. Don't come at me and say, "Oh my gosh, he's speaking negative." What's going on, Keith? The Wells hit it and quit it. Like Kentucky, it's time to short. Kentucky, man, are you a part of my live stream? I told my live stream students that my private live stream students that there was short opportunities. Okay, right now I'm looking for another pullback, and we will see if it happened. But I'm definitely looking for another pullback. But like officially short right now, no, it's not officially short. This is just these shorts right here are just more aggressive shorts, all right? Most people don't want to hear the truth. I hear you, bro. You said you expect to see a pullback. When is likely to go into pullback? You said when? Well, no one knows when. Okay, and where? No one knows where it will drop to too. All right. All you have to do is gauge it and look at it and look to see if price is telling you it wants to pull back, and then once it get to a support area, you have to look to see if price want to hold that support. Me personally, I believe we're going to try to roll over one more time, okay? And then when we roll over, I don't know how low we can go. We can go to this breakout area right here. You notice how Bitcoin broke out right here. So we can go back to this breakout area right here. That's around 9,000 or 88, something around there. We will see if we can actually hold support over there, all right? So that's how you do it. You take it day by day, all right, week by week. You don't try to predict the future. You don't say Bitcoin's going to 100K because CNB said it, right? That's if you want to become a professional. So Kendall, are you still in the building, Kendall? All right, I mean, because you had a lot to say earlier, bro. Yeah, it could break either way. Exactly, Chris. Short term, yeah, short term, it looks like it wants to continue to go down. I'm definitely expecting another down move, but we can actually catch support somewhere and try to make a new high, maybe to 14,000. We'll see what happens when they get there. All right, but my like I said, my question the other day is, what if this is not the bottom that you think it is, and we might go down on lower? Okay, all you guys prepare for that. I'm not trying to scare you, just trying to help you with real life situations. Okay, if you want to learn how to be prepared for that and make money regardless, go check out my course. We're going to have a private meeting this what do you call that, this Sunday, and you will get the recordings if you can't make it. If you want to learn how I live my laptop life, check out my laptop t-shirt, laptop lifestyle. If you want to learn how I'm able to do this full time, travel around the world, live that laptop life, okay, go get that course and go buy that t-shirt too if you want to represent that laptop lifestyle. Okay, the link is below. Now, if you guys have any questions, type it in. I'm about to end the live stream very soon. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. So let's go from here. Let's see what's going on in the chat room. But I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. And just be careful, in these markets, because the market will confuse you, and it will try to think that you know it all. Like a lot of people, I had someone yesterday, or not actually, I think the day before yesterday. He said that he bought Bitcoin at 700. And he said, "Oh man, you acting like I don't know what I'm talking about." Well, basically, just because you bought Bitcoin at 700 doesn't mean that you know what you're talking about, bro. Like it just means that you got lucky. So the market will fool you and make you feel like you know what you're doing, because if it goes in one direction and is moving, it will basically make you feel like a genius. Like last year, right? A lot of people thought they was a genius last year, and they basically was making a lot of money until this pullback right here. Okay, they kept buying the dip, losing money, selling up their positions, losing money, buying the dip. So they realized, man, I didn't know nothing. So learn how to read the charts, guys, because I don't want that to happen again, where Bitcoin decides to drop and now you don't know what to do. So let me see if I see questions before we get out of here, and then we go from there. I'm reading these questions. Just give me a second. Let me see here if I see anything. Can you give advice on a 4-hour chart? Yeah, I did that already, Call. Just go look at the replay. Roger, I remember that guy, Ben, that guy who bought, 700. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, if you get lucky, you got lucky, man. It doesn't mean you know what you're doing. Let me explain to you, okay? You can say you know what you're doing when you make consistent money and you're doing it full time, okay? Don't tell me what you bought last year and how much you're up. You didn't take your profits. Most of you guys don't take profits, or you don't even pay yourself. And you're not doing it consistent. You're not making that consistent money every month, every week, right? Then you can say you know what you're doing. But guys, have a great day. Make sure you have a great holiday. I'm about to have some barbecue chicken or some barbecue ribs or whatever I'm gonna have. I don't know. Barbecue steak. Enjoy your weekend. If you have any more questions, you can email me. BTC Jason said, "Do you think crypto is good for store of value?" No, I don't. I honestly, man, like that's why I had this real conversation with you guys today. All right. Just think about it for a second. If a guy, I have a crypto course right here, right? Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0. If I'm talking about this, right? Do you think that will help my sales? No, it doesn't help my sales. If I'm talking about, things that most people probably going to get emotional about. But I don't care about that because, number one, I want you guys to start to challenge yourself and start to think the right way. Right? Hold on, guys. My wife is calling me. Hello?
Should I get the bubble burger with Angus burger or the one that has sweet onions?
Oh, the sweet onions.
Get the one with the sweet onions?
Yeah. All right. I forgot what I was saying, but basically, it's not going to help my sales. All right. And the reason why I'm doing it because I don't want you guys to get burnt again. All right. I don't. So I try to help you guys out. Make sure you are on the right track. If you want to learn how to do this full time, I'm the guy that will help you do that. All right. If you want to say hodl to zero, I'm not that guy. If you want to learn how you can be able to extract money from the market monthly, then I'm that guy. Right. But overall, do I think Bitcoin's a store of value? No, it's not. I mean, how can it be? We was at 19,000. We dropped all the way to 3,000. Okay? You lost so much money. All right? Guys, this market, let's be honest with ourselves, guys. This market is a new market. It's unregulated and it's very volatile, right? So you got to play it just like that. You have to play it like an unregulated market. That's very, the market is very volatile and it's unregulated. So you have to play it just like that. You can't play it like, oh my gosh, this is it. I believe in this so much. This is going to make me my $1 million. I'm going to throw all my money in it, and I can't wait. I wish, bro. I wish. You can't play it like that. You got to play like it's what it is, right? An unregulated, volatile market. Okay. So since it's an unregulated, volatile market, guess what? All right, we're gonna have major swings. We're gonna have a major downswings. You have to play it, right? Play it. What if Bitcoin just starts to go all the way back down? You guys are screwed. You know how much energy it's gonna take for Bitcoin to go all the way back to 20K again. So you're gonna have to probably wait another 2 to 3 years, right? Bro, while you're waiting, man, guys like me is making money now. This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Like, what are you doing with your life? You wasting your life, bro. Okay. So no, I don't care about store value. That shit, that's stupid, right? If you want to learn how to make money, get out the matrix. Start building skills, guys. Start building skills. Stop being lazy. Stop saying store value. Stop saying going to the moon. Build skills. Learn how to make money consistently, and you go from there. All right. You can always hodl. Hodl is nothing. That's easy. Any 5-year-old can hodl. You can always do that. So if you want to do that, you can do that. But if you want to make that consistent gains, learn. All right. Let me see if I see anything else before I get out of here. Someone said no pork. Let me see here. Najim said you was right about taking profits when Chainlink was going up. I took my profits. Shout out to you, bro. Barbecue chicken, Shaq style. Yeah, you gotta take profits, man. That's why I got t-shirts. Take profits. All that stuff. Let me see if I see any thoughts on Neo. Let me see Neo. if I can get this to work. Hold on, guys. I don't know why it's not working. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Here we go. My fault. So Neo actually has a interesting setup. It can actually go up a little bit more. Like I said, I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to to find support somewhere, and then we can go from there. It has, a potential to go up. Okay, make another high. But I want to see what Bitcoin wants to do and where it wants to find that support at. Because if it can't, then this is just basically gonna break down. All right. But right now it looks like it could actually go up. All right, to make a new high. All right, so let me get out of here. I appreciate everybody that's here. Hit those like buttons before you leave. Hit that subscribe button. If you have questions, you can email me. And learn, practice, study, improve as a person, as an individual, as a trader, investor. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a great July 4th. Somebody said barbecue. You can't buy barbecue with XRP. Oh, man. Shout out to all my XRP holders. Yeah, have a good day, guys. All right. Talk to you guys later. And have a good day.